Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Google Chrome error catches miss on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Google Chrome error, then here are the fixes. Open your Google Chrome browser and here click on three vertical dot against top right corner. And here look for the option help. Look for the option help, hover the cursor on help and choose about Chrome. Update your Google Chrome browser. It will check for updates and you will receive Chrome is up to date. Either update your Google Chrome browser and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, click on three vertical dot against top right corner and look for the option extension. And choose manage extensions. And if you have already added any extension to your Google Chrome browser, temporarily disable it. Turn the toggle button on off to disable your extensions. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, click on three vertical dot against top right corner and click on settings. Here from the top left corner, click on three horizontal line and choose privacy and security. Here scroll down and click on delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, caches and more. And here go to advanced tab from the top menu bar and time range should be all time. And make the check against option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files. And click on delete data. It will clear your browser caches, cookies, history and site data and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, again click on three horizontal line against top left corner on the same page. Here scroll down and choose reset settings. Reset settings to your default settings in Google Chrome browser. Restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it. Reset settings. This action will reset Google Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. Disable extensions which you have already disabled it. Delete cookies and other temporary site data. Choose reset settings. After that, check whether your Google Chrome error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Reset your network settings. To do so, go to your Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows. Run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes. And command prompt Windows, execute these 5 commands as shown on screen to reset your network settings. These 5 commands execute one by one in command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time. ipconfig flush DNS, ipconfig register DNS, ipconfig release, ipconfig renew and winsock reset. Execute all these 5 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows to reset your network settings. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process, and after that restart your system and check whether your error is